Hello, Nursing 404 students. Dr. Piontek here. We are going into Module 4, which is our Spirituality and Disabilities module. So we are in Week 4, which is the midpoint for this course. This week, our objectives are to explore the difference between spirituality and religion in relation to delivering culturally competent care. We're going to recognize clinical indicators of spiritual distress. We'll discuss the impact of discrimination on patients with disabilities. And finally, analyze interventions to improve quality of care for patients with disabilities. So the activities for this week, you will be reading chapters 4 and 5 of your text. Review the video below. We're going to have 2 case studies. One is embedded into the discussion board, and the other one is an assignment that you'll be turning in. So your discussion board question really is a case study about Mr. J, and I'll let you read about that in the discussion board. And you'll be using the HOPE assessment in answering the discussion board about Mr. J. So remember, discussion board, the initial post is due every Thursday by 11:59 p.m. Central Time, and then at least 2 responses to your peers' posts by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. Central Time. And then, in addition to the discussion board this week, there is an assignment, and you will be reading a case study. It is on pages 93 and 95 of your textbook, and it's about patient with disabilities. So you'll answer questions 2 through 6 on page 95. Again, just make sure that there are at least 250 words. You do not need to go beyond 2 pages. Let's not make this a big lengthy assignment, just a couple of pages, just to answer those questions. And you do not need to add any additional references for this assignment. But you do need to add a reference for your initial post in your discussion board. I just want to remind everyone of that is a requirement for the initial post for the discussion board. So I think that pretty much covers everything that I wanted to review with you. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out, either email me or call me. Thanks.